Hello everyone, let's explore another fantastic DIY piece, and that is a desktop clock out of concrete. Make this chic concrete table clock at 300 INR, which retails for 6.5k outside India with extra shipping charges. So I'm going to show you how we made this inexpensive concrete clock in quick, easy 7 steps. Can't wait to share this easy DIY with you. Supplies and tools: A3 OHP sheet 1, empty cardboard tape roller 2, ruler, acrylic sheet cutter and scissor, Fevikwik, cello tape, plastic box and lid, cement of 500 grams, fine sand of 200 grams, quartz movement clock hand. Making the inner mold: take A3 OHP sheet and empty cardboard tape roller. Roll the OHP sheet on the empty cardboard roller to form a circle and mark the edges for the measurement. I have marked height of 4 cm on the edges and 10 cm in the middle. Make a semi-curve in the middle using the same roller and join the curve to the edge of 4 cm marking. Now cut the marked surface. Roll the sheet on the empty cardboard roller, cut the excess and paste the edges with a cello tape. Your inner mold is ready. Making center mold. I wanted the center depth to be 1.2 cm from the top view. Now mark 1.2 cm in the OHP sheet and cut lengthwise. Roll the OHP cut sheet on an empty cardboard tape roller. Now cut the OHP sheet for the diameter of an empty cardboard tape roller to cover the top. Make a hole in the center of the lid and also on the round cut OHP sheet to ensure no cement is getting accumulated for inserting the clock dial mechanism. You can use a sketch of the outer shell to ensure the same. And place the plastic lid for holding it firm. Making the outer mold. Same as part 1, making the inner mold, follow the same instruction and also the same measurement, but the only difference would be the bigger diameter. Here we used a plastic container. Fixing the mold to the base. Decide the clock hand center on a flat base and stick the straw first. Insert the center mold onto the straw and sketch the circle to glue using Fevikwik. Then mark the circle for outer mold and glue outer mold with a base using Fevikwik. Let it dry for 5 minutes. The mold is ready for pouring. Mixing cement and sand. Wear an air filter mask when you do this. Also wear eye protection and gloves. Mix cement and fine sand in the ratio of 3:2. Mix well before adding water. It is better to start out with less water and work in more as you need. Too much water and it is tough to go back unless you have more cement. So we took our time and worked slowly, building it up to the consistency that we wanted. Pouring, curing and removing the mold. Now slowly add cement to the mold. Ensure it is covering the circumference completely and uniformly. Add cement 10 mm above the centerpiece from the bottom. And then place the inner mold above the cement in the center. Add more cement covering the space between inner and the outer mold. Once it is done, leave the mold for curing dry for 24 hours in the sun. The last step is adding the clock hand. I just love how it turned out. I mean, it was a major headache because I failed this DIY concrete clock before and I finally got it right now. Wow, how different it looked. This kind of piece gives a unique appearance and a refreshing flavor to your interior. I have added chapter breakup in this video into sections for you so you can re-watch different parts of this tutorial. As always, if you make this DIY, let us know in the comment section below. See you in another video. Bye.